So this is a picture of a wandering black hole breaking into the solar system, is eating the Earth. Although it is only a simulation screen, but it's also terrifying, so far. So what would happen if a wandering black hole did suddenly burst into the solar system? In fact, wandering black holes are real. In addition to the first supermassive black hole that scientists previously thought was located at the center of a galaxy, and a second kind of interstellar black hole, a third kind of wandering black hole, 5,000 light-years away, will be discovered in 2022. According to scientists' statistical predictions, the number of wandering black holes in the Milky Way alone is 1,100,000,000. What a terrifying number! Because the wandering black hole is erratic, there's no pattern. It makes humans feel that it is the most terrifying type of celestial body. Although scientists believe that the probability of a black hole swallowing our planet is estimated at 1 in a trillion. But this opportunity, harder than winning the lottery, would also spell the end of humanity if it happened. Suppose that, like the Cygnus X1 black hole closest to us, it's only 60 kilometers in diameter. If such a black hole were to wander near our solar system, at a distance of about a light-year, that's when he appeared in the Oort cloud. His attractive force could significantly alter the orbits of exoplanets and comets. A large number of comets will hurtle inward towards Earth and other planets. But it's just beginning. When the black hole first entered the solar system, except for the slightly attractive force on distant stars, we can't see him yet. It's still a bit cold and beautiful at this time. Until he started hitting the outermost gas giant. At this time, an obvious suction disk will form around the black hole. It's a region of superheated dust and gas. Because it has already started to devour. Although such a black hole is thousands of times smaller than any planet, only a few dozen kilometers, but it's thousands of times more massive than a planet. Therefore, in the direction he is traveling, any planet, unfortunately, trapped in his path, will be swallowed up. Even those planets as big as Jupiter. If we can't see a black hole yet, but we will definitely observe the sudden process of the planet being torn to shreds. When the black hole reaches the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt is gone. Tens of thousands of small celestial bodies are flying around directly towards the Earth. For us humans, all civilizations on Earth are about to pass away. When the black hole reaches Earth's orbit, please tear the ground apart. Trigger devastating earthquakes and supervolcanoes never seen before. Magma erupts from the depths of the vines, rushing through the Earth's crust at supersonic speed to the surface and covering the Earth. And Mercury and Venus will soon end up as terrifying as Earth. Of course, a final battle between black holes and the Sun is inevitable. A tug-of-war with the Sun's attractive force ensues. The near side of the star is being pulled more and more by the attractive force of the black hole. The star gradually begins to be stretched like a spaghetti in the direction of its motion. Start to become ellipsoid. Then it becomes a long strip. Under the influence of the attractive force of the black hole, gravity alone is not enough to maintain its own density and pressure, and the upheaval reaction gradually stops. A few hours later, the end of the Sun is like the complete disintegration of other planets. Some of that material will be swallowed by the black hole. Most of the rest will be ejected. As superheated dust and gas roaring and swirling around the black hole. Just like that, a galaxy that was born 4.6 billion years ago was destroyed. Under the tidal ripping event of the black hole. Just a few hours. A star is completely disintegrated and replaced the position of the Sun. Isn't that horrible?